Hey, I'm Tristan Gatto, creator of Yoga Prehab, and welcome to Movement Monday, where I bring you weekly bite-sized stretches and exercises to keep you feeling strong, flexible, and injury-free. Let's get started. Bring your hips down to the mat, hands underneath the thighs, a deep, giant breath in, lifting up nice and tall. As you exhale, that core is going all the way down towards the floor. And feel free to shift yourself so you're in the center of your mat. Knees are going to come to 90 degrees, hips at 90 degrees, flex the feet. We're going to press the hands onto the knees, take a deep breath in. As you exhale, you're going to extend your right leg and your right arm. Good. Breathe in, exhale out. We're going to do 10 of these. Breathe in, exhale. Breathe in, exhale. Keeping constant pressure with that left hand. Good. We're halfway there. Breathe in. Abs and core are nice and tight. You're zipping in the navel. You're zipping in the ribs. Try not to flatten out your low back. We're almost there. Two more. Two. One. Good. Press the knees down to the ground. Big breath in. Arms reach overhead. Then drop the knees over to the left. Stay here. Breathe. Exhale out. One more breath in. Deep breath. And bring the knees back to center. Knees are going to come into the chest. Breathe in. And press those hands into the knees. Flexing the feet. Left leg's going to go long and left hand is going to go overhead. So breathe in. Exhale. Good. Breathe in. Exhale back to center. Good. Breathe in. Exhale. 8 more. Breathe in. Exhale. Low lumbar is stable. You're breathing out, squeezing those abdominals in, trying not to let your back overarch. We're about halfway there. You're doing great. Keep that right knee at 90 degrees. Exhale out, nice and strong. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Feet to the ground, breathe in, arms overhead, and the knees will drop over to the right. Beautiful. Take a deep breath in. Exhale it out. Breathe in again. And exhale, bring the knees back to center.